And these are updates coming in on the Unnao rape case, and the latest coming in that the statement that has been made by the victim before the judicial magistrate has once again reiterated the victim's allegation, which she had levelled initially against BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh. The victim has said that she was sexually assaulted by the politician, and this clearly spells more trouble for the jailed BJP leader, because a statement before the judicial magistrate can be used as an evidence in the court of law. So more trouble for BJP leader Kuldeep Singh as the statement that has been made by the victim before the judicial magistrate reiterates the allegation, stating that it was indeed BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh who had sexually assaulted her. Apurva Sridhar now joins us over the phone line to help us understand what does this mean for the entire case that's being built up against Kuldeep Singh. Now, Apurva, take us through what does this mean now?
Well, certainly this is a very crucial development that is really taking place in this case. Remember, there have been a lot of statements that have been made by the victim, particularly in highlighting how the BJP MLA from Unnao, Kuldeep Singh, was in fact responsible, and he was the one who had sexually assaulted her last year in June, while his accomplice, who was also in custody, Shashi Singh, was also guarding the house where she was being sexually assaulted. Now, this is a statement that she has also given before the duty magistrate, which holds a lot of relevance at this point in more trouble that is mounting for the BJP MLA. So clearly, with the CBI investigation currently taking place, and with the levels of questioning that is also taking place of Kuldeep Singh and also trying to identify his role, his location, and where he was at the time of the incident, and also through his call records and the statements and the messages that have been there, it is going to be more trouble there mounting for the BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh, who's currently in custody. And also this particular statement, remember, the victim had already made the statement before the media as well. When we spoke to her exclusively, she said how she was sexually assaulted by the BJP MLA, and this was more proof than mounting, but she has already given a statement under Section 164 of the CRPC. This is certainly going to be more proof than mounting against the BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh. What is important here is to note is the next course of action that the CBI will be looking at. Their primary role would now be to collect more evidence, more testimonies, and more eyewitnesses to strengthen their case against the BJP MLA question.
Apurva, if we speak about the investigation so far, what kind of evidence do we know has been built up against Kuldeep Singh? You mentioned that this statement is going to be very, very crucial, because this can be used as an evidence against the BJP MLA in the court of law. But if we speak about the evidence that has been collected so far, what is it that we know of has been colluded against BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh?
Well, at this point, as the entire investigation is currently underway, the CBI hasn't really diverged much information on the level of investigation and what really are they looking at. But what we can tell our viewers at this point is that when the BJP MLA was taken into custody, the CBI team had visited Unnao and the Marquee village, which is the native village of both the victim as well as the accused in this case. And there they had met a lot of people. They had met the villagers there as well, who, remember, the victim's uncle had also said were under a lot of pressure and threat in not giving out much information. So clearly we can understand with the spot check that has also done by the CBI, we can conclude that there could be more evidence that could be taken up by the CBI in terms of going to the place and looking for more information, also checking through the call records and other details, and also a statement of the BJP MLA's brother, who is also in custody. All of this is going to be looked at, and many other details will be looked at this point to come up with more evidence against the BJP MLA.
All right, Apurva Sridhar, thanks very much for joining in and getting us those updates this morning.